Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Mijanur Rahaman and today my topic of discussion is body temperature. Today we will discuss about the introduction part and the body temperature part only. First of all, if we introduce the body temperature, living organisms are classified into two groups depending upon the maintenance or regulation of the body temperature. One is homeothermic animals and one is poikilothermic animals. So what is homeothermic animals? Homeothermic animals are those animals in which the body temperature is maintained at a constant level, irrespective of the environmental temperature. Birds and mammals, including man, belong to this category. They are also called warm-blooded animals. And the poikilothermic animals are those animals in which the body temperature is not constant. It varies according to the environmental temperature. Amphibians and reptiles are the poikilothermic animals. These animals are also called cold-blooded animals. So, what is homeothermic? Homeothermic are those in which the body temperature is maintained constant, irrespective of the environment. And in case of poikilothermic, the temperature is not constant; it is varying according to the environmental temperature. The homeothermic are known as warm-blooded, and the cold poikilothermic are known as cold-blooded animals. And the examples are, in case of homeothermic, it is mammals and birds, and man also included. And poikilothermic, these are reptiles and amphibians. Now, body temperature. Body temperature can be measured by placing the clinical thermometer in different parts of the body, such as mouth, axilla, rectum, over the skin. The mouth, it is the oral temperature; the axilla, it is the axillary temperature; the rectum, there is the rectal temperature; and over the skin, it is the surface temperature. Now, normal body temperature. Normal body temperature in human is about 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. When measured by placing the clinical thermometer in the mouth, oral temperature it varies between 35.8 degrees Celsius and 37.3 degrees Celsius, or between 96.4 and 99.1 degree Fahrenheit. Now, temperature at the different parts. Axillary temperature it is 0.3 to 0.6 degrees Celsius lower than the oral temperature, and the rectal temperature is higher than the oral temperature, about 0.3 to 0.6. So if we take the temperature is 98, then in the axilla it is lower, almost 1 degree Fahrenheit, so it is 97. And in the rectum it is around 1 degree higher, so it could be 99 degree Fahrenheit. And the superficial temperature or skin surface temperature varies between 29.5 degrees Celsius and 33.9 degrees Celsius. So it is about 85.1 to 93 degree Fahrenheit. The core temperature. Core temperature is the average temperature of the structures present in the deeper part of the body. The core temperature is always more than the oral or rectal temperature. It is about 37.8 degrees Celsius or 100 degree Fahrenheit. Now, variation of body temperature. Physiological variation. First, age. In infants, the body temperature varies in accordance to environmental temperature for the first few days after birth. It is because the temperature regulating system does not function properly during infancy. In children, the temperature is slightly 0.5 degrees Celsius more than the adults because of more physical activities. In old age, since the heat production is less, the body temperature decreases slightly. Sex. In females, the body temperature is less because of low basal metabolic rate when compared to that of males. During menstrual phase, it decreases slightly. Now, diurnal variation. In early morning, the temperature is 1 degree Celsius less. In the afternoon, it reaches the maximum about 1 degree Celsius or more than normal. After meal, the body temperature rises slightly, almost 0.5 degrees Celsius after meals. Exercise. During exercise, the temperature rises due to production of heat in muscle. And sleep. During sleep, the body temperature decreases by 0.5 degrees Celsius. And emotion. During emotional condition, the body temperature increases. Menstrual cycle. In females, immediately after ovulation, the body temperature rises. 0.5 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius sharply, and it decreases 0.5 degrees Celsius during menstrual phase. Now, pathological variations. Abnormal increase in body temperature is called hyperthermia or fever, and decreased body temperature is known as hypothermia. So, this is for now. In the next video, we will discuss about the heat balance, and thank you for watching.